We did a little local tourism in Albuquerque, New Mexico, and went on the Breaking Bad RV tour.
Yeah, come along.
Wait a minute. Wait, what is that? That looks suspiciously like Heisenberg's blue crystal.
No.
I said that we should be more like Albuquerque residents, but this is not really what I had in
No,
mind.
it's just blue candy, see?
Oh, this is the candy we got when we went on the Breaking Bad RV tour.
Yeah, well, it's delicious
It
too.
is delicious. It's pure sugar.
Yeah.
We got to go on the Breaking Bad RV tour in Albuquerque, New Mexico, where if you haven't seen the TV show, it won't make much sense to you, but they take you in a bounder.
Yeah, like a 1980s,
70s or
no, it's an
80s, whatever,
80s bounder of some sort, like what they used on the show.
Right, the same one they had on the show. They have a few in their fleet, and you can ride in a bounder sometimes. Sometimes it's a different vehicle, but they take you to 20 plus locations, filming locations from the TV shows Breaking Bad and Better Call Saul, the movie El Camino, and now there's a new show called Pluribus.
Pluribus, yeah.
And so they take you to some of those locations as well.
So the cool thing about this is, for at least our tour, we rode around in this old bounder that they had modified for as a bus, but there's still sort of like a fake lab in there.
Yeah,
not like a dog, but laboratory.
Yeah, they left the kitchen kind of counters there, and so they built a little fake lab like Walt and Jesse built. And then the back room, which is, normally a bedroom, they had some more seating and a spare television back there. They played a bunch of clips from the different shows so that when you went to a certain location, you could remember what scene it was in. And then they just drive you around Albuquerque and show you the locations of some of the houses that you saw a lot, some of the businesses, the chicken place, which is really a Stripes burrito place.
Yeah, but it's Los Pollos Hermanos.
Yeah.
So it was good because Albuquerque is really becoming, they have this huge film credit program.
Yes.
To bring more film production to the area. As they drove around and showed you different things, the two people who did the tour were actually part of the production of Breaking Bad.
Yeah, they were actually
very
actors
entertaining.
In the show.
Yeah.
Yes.
And they explained a lot of history and Albuquerque film, inside stories, Breaking Bad inside stories. So if you're going from one location to the next, you're not just sitting there.
Right. They're actually telling stories and making jokes and watching little video clips. Now Tony has seen Breaking Bad all the way through. I've seen Breaking Bad now halfway through. We're in the middle of watching it, streaming it, and I listened the first time that he watched it, but I didn't really, watch it. Plus, we didn't live in Albuquerque back then. Now that we're watching it, and now that we're in Albuquerque a lot, we're like, oh, I know that place. It's kind of a little bit more interesting or a little bit more scary to think that, that could be happening in Albuquerque. A fact that I did not know is that this was originally written for Riverside, California.
Yeah.
Now, that is a trivia question. So if you go on this tour, you might win a little prize from them for knowing that.
Yeah.
I won a prize for knowing that what Walt blew up the upstairs with was fulminated mercury. And I got Jesse's driver's license, which I will not be trying to use at TSA because they don't have any sense of humor.
No, apparently they advised against doing that. But anyway, this tour was really, really fun. If you have any interest in Breaking Bad or Better Call Saul or El Camino, it was neat because of how well the tour guides sort of kept you involved with trivia questions and videos and stories and insights and all. It was good.
Yeah, and it's not just you sit in the bus and drive around. They let you out of the RV. You got out a few times. We actually went in Los Pollos Hermanos and had a breakfast burrito that was provided, part of the tour. And then we got to, get out and take some pictures, and we got to tour the car wash. And so it's not just sitting, and it was like 3.5 hours that we were on the tour. And it starts and ends in Old Town Albuquerque at the Breaking Bad store and museum.
Yes, and you got passes to the museum,
yeah, so
too.
As many times as we've been to the store, we've never, spent the $5 because we're always in a big hurry, and we haven't been through the museum. And look, even if you don't want to go on the tour and you know the show even a little bit, the museum is worth it. There's a whole bunch of set pieces and costumes and pieces and stuff in there. So overall, what a great day. We just really had a good time. I don't want to give away all the hints, because if you're going to go on the tour, I don't want you to know everything that's going to happen.
Right.
But it was a lot of fun, very entertaining, very informative. And we got, kind of a tour all over Albuquerque without having to drive.
Absolutely. Leave the driving to them.
Yeah.
And now, I want a sweet treat.
Oh.